All right, in this video, we're going to go over how to create the elevation views. And the really nice thing is we're done. They are already created. So if I go in and look at my north elevation, there it is. So now it's about getting them ready to put onto a sheet. So the first thing I want to do is I have these level markers and I want them to be hidden. So I am going to have to do this 4 times, by the way, but I want to right click on these, go to hide in view, category, and that should get rid of both of them. I also want to crop the view, show the crop region, and make sure it's right around there. If you do this in the right timing after you hidden those lines, you aren't going to have to move this around. So I'm going to hide that part. The last thing I want to do, we are going to print this with our views as realistic. So if I go to graphic display, hit edit, and change this to realistic, and hit apply and OK, you'll see the shingles here. And the reason we're having you do this is because you were required to have a custom wall type. This is the only way I'm going to be able to see that. You're going to have to repeat this process 4 times. So east, how fast can we do it? Because I know you're going to get tired of watching. Hide in view, category, crop the view, make sure it's around the house, turn it back off, graphics display, edit, realistic, apply, OK, looks good, close it. South, they're alphabetical. Hide in view. Oh, if you only pick element, you have to do it twice. Category is what I wanted. Crop the view, make sure it's tight around the house, edit the graphics display, realistic, apply, OK. And west is the last one. Hide in view. Let's try to not make any mistakes this time. Category, crop the view, show it, hide it, edit. Hidden line becomes realistic. Hit OK. Boom. Now that's all done. All right, I'm going to close all those. I don't need any of them open right now. They're all ready to go. I'm now going to look down here at my... Oh, by the way, before I do that, if any of those were odd or weird in any way, shape, or form, come back to your ground level and make sure you uncrop your view. As you can see, I have my north, south, and my east and west elevations. If I click on the triangle part, you're going to see a line. This line needs to be outside of the house. If it's like this, since I used I believe that would be my west elevation, you now see into the house for a part, okay? That is because 100% because this line is there. So make sure these lines are outside of it if you need to do this, okay? That's fine, that's fine, that's fine, okay? So make sure all of those are outside of it, and then you can turn the cropping on this view back on. So anyhow, scrolling down, find sheets, new sheet, a FRM landscape. This one's going to be called elevations. This is going to end up being the 4th page. It's A size, but it is the 4th page of your packet. And this is for your vacation house. And this should again be first name, last name, 2 spaces, and then your class period number so that it's in there. All right, now we're working on putting the actual views in. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drag the north view in and let go. Move it near the top and click to set it down. I am going to have it be no title. I know it's the north view because of its location. I'm going to try these at 1/8 inch to a foot. And the nice part is I can put, I'm going to bump that down a little bit and over. That's not going to fit. I can tell right now. So back to 1/16 to a foot. So I won't have to change the scale at all. but I am going to put those, sorry, I'll just drag it around. North goes here, centered at the top. East. Over here. Middle of the height, all the way to the right. No title. South, the bottom, directly below the north one. No title. No title. And west. Right up here, you can see there's some lines that help you line things up. Use those to make it look nice. And again, no title. So this is my elevations sheet. Titled here, title block all filled out. The only way it doesn't fill the scale in for you is if you start changing these and they're not all the same. Okay, these should all be the same. So this is what that should look like. I can even see that I have my pipe post visible in one or more of my elevations. Looks like there's 2 of them there. And this is the page I want you to print. I know that we don't have a color printer, but this will come out in a grayscale where I'll be able to tell that you did everything correct. So this should be the final page in your packet. So just as a review, your floor plan should be page A01, room plan is A02, electrical plan is A03, and elevations is at the final page of the packet, A04. Follow further directions on Schoology and or from your teacher as to printing, stapling, turning in, and what to do after you've finished creating your documents.